Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hey everyone, we're so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we're going to learn something super important. We're going to learn how Americans pronounce three special sounds, T, D, and R.
Yes, these three sounds are very important. Many English learners find them tricky, but don't worry, we're going to make it super easy for you.
That's right. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural and more American when you speak English.
And before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our videos.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Let's do this.
So let's start with the T sound. The T sound in American English is very interesting because it changes.
Yes, it changes depending on where it is in the word. Americans don't always say T like T. Sometimes it sounds different.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Listen carefully. The word is water. How do you think Americans say it?
Let me guess. Is it water?
Close, but actually Americans say water. Did you hear that? The T sounds like a D.
Wow, so water becomes water. That's so interesting.
Yes, let me say it again slowly. Water, 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 water.
Let me try. Water, water.
Perfect, you got it. So when does the T sound like D?
Great question. The T sounds like D when it's in the middle of a word between two vowels.
Between two vowels. Got it. Can you give us more examples?
Of course. Listen to these words. Better, bitter, letter, butter.
Let me repeat those. Better, bitter, letter, butter.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. Everyone at home, repeat after us. Ready? Water,
Better,
letter.
butter.
Great job, everyone. Did you notice how the T sounds soft like a D sound?
Yes, this is called the flap T or tap T. Your tongue just quickly taps the roof of your mouth.
It's like a very fast D sound. Not a hard T, not a hard D, just a quick tap.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. City, pretty, party, matter.
City, pretty, party, matter. Yes, I can hear it now.
And here's another rule. When T comes at the end of a word, Americans often don't say it clearly.
Really? What do you mean?
Listen to this word, cat. In American English, we say cat, but the T is very soft. It's almost like ca with a tiny T at the end.
Cat. Cat. I see. The T is there, but it's not strong.
Exactly. More examples, hot, sit, get, but.
Hot, sit, get, but. Yes, the T is soft at the end.
Good. Now let's talk about the D sound.
Okay, tell us about the D sound. How do Americans say D?
Well, the D sound is similar to T in some ways. When D is in the middle of a word between vowels, it also sounds soft.
So it's like the flap T we just learned?
Yes, exactly. Listen to these words: leader, ladder, middle, wedding.
Leader, ladder, middle, wedding. Oh, the D sounds soft and quick.
Yes, your tongue taps the roof of your mouth quickly. It's the same movement as the flap T.
So ladder and ladder sound almost the same.
Yes, in American English, ladder and ladder sound almost identical. Both have that quick tap sound.
That's amazing. Can we practice more D words?
Sure, listen and repeat. Body, ready, study, nobody.
Body, ready, study, nobody.
Perfect. Everyone at home repeat after me. Body, ready, study, nobody.
You're doing great. Now, what about D at the end of words?
Good question. When D is at the end, Americans say it clearly but not too strongly. Listen. Bad, good, had, made.
Bad, good, had, made. Yes, the D is there, but not too hard.
Exactly. Not too soft, not too hard. Just right.
Okay, now let's talk about the R sound. This is the sound many learners find difficult.
Yes, the American R sound is special. It's different from R and many other languages.
How do we make the American R sound?
Great question. For the American R, your tongue doesn't touch anything in your mouth.
It doesn't touch anything?
No, your tongue curls back a little bit. The tip of your tongue goes toward the back of your mouth, but it doesn't touch the roof.
And then what happens?
Then you make the sound. Listen, R, R, R.
R, R, R. Let me try. R, R.
Perfect. Now let's put it in words. Listen, red, right, room, run.
Red, right, room, run. Perfect. Now here's something important. In American English, we always pronounce R at the end of words.
Always, even at the end?
Yes, listen to these words. Car, star, door, more.
Car, star, door, more. I can hear the R clearly.
Exactly. In British English, they often don't say the R at the end. They say ka for car.
But Americans say car with a clear R sound at the end.
Yes, that's one big difference between American and British pronunciation.
That's so helpful to know. Can we practice more R words?
Of course. Let's practice R at the beginning. Road, rock, rain, river.
Road, rock, rain, river.
And R at the end, teacher, water, better, number.
Teacher, water, better, number.
Excellent. Now let's practice R in the middle. Very, sorry, orange, tomorrow.
Very, sorry, orange, tomorrow.
You got it. Everyone at home, remember to curl your tongue back for that R sound.
Okay, now let's do a fun role play to practice all three sounds together.
Great idea. Let's pretend we're at a restaurant. I'll be the waiter and you're the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good afternoon. Can I get you some water?
Yes, please. Can I also have butter for my bread?
Of course. And what would you like to order?
I'd like the better chicken dinner, please.
Great choice. That's our most popular dish. Would you like red wine or white wine?
Red wine, please. And is the food ready quickly?
Yes, it will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Did everyone hear those T, D, and R sounds?
Let's review what we said. I said water. Remember, it sounds like water.
And butter. That T sounds like D too. Butter.
And I said better and dinner, both with that soft D sound.
And ready. Another soft D in the middle.
And we used lots of R sounds, like bread, red, dinner, order.
Exactly. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice some common phrases with these sounds. Repeat after us.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Did you hear? Doesn't has a soft T sound and matter too.
That's better.
That's better. Both T and D sounds are soft here.
Water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge. Water and under both have soft sounds.
Ready or not.
Ready or not. The D in ready is soft and we have that R sound too.
Great work, everyone. Let's do a quick quiz now.
Ooh, I love quizzes. Ask me questions.
Okay, how do you pronounce this word? Little.
Little. The T's sound like D's. Little.
Perfect. Next word, daughter.
Daughter. The R is clear at the end. Daughter.
Excellent. One more, butter and bread.
Butter and bread. Butter and bread. Soft T in butter, clear R in bread.
You got them all right. Amazing.
Thank you. Now everyone at home knows these sounds too.
Let me give you one more tip. When you practice, go slowly at first.
Yes, don't try to speak fast right away. Take your time.
Say each word slowly. Feel where your tongue goes, then practice many times.
Exactly. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how you get better.
And listen to American movies, TV shows, and podcasts. Pay attention to these sounds.
Yes, the more you listen, the more natural it will become.
Remember, Americans use these pronunciation patterns all the time. This is how we really speak.
Not textbook English, but real American English.
And one last thing, don't worry if it feels strange at first. It's normal.
Yes, learning new sounds takes practice. Be patient with yourself.
You're doing amazing today. Every day you practice, you get better and better.
Wow, we covered so much today.
We sure did. We learned about the T sound, the D sound, and the R sound in American English.
We learned that T and D can sound soft in the middle of words, like in water and ladder.
And we learned that Americans always pronounce the R sound at the end of words like car and door.
You all did such a great job today. We're so proud of you.
Now it's time for your homework. We want to hear from you.
Yes, leave a comment below and tell us, what word with T, D, or R do you find most difficult to pronounce?
Write it in the comments and we'll try to help you in our next video.
Also, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speaklio English. We post new videos every week to help you improve your English.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Let's learn together.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are